Unveiling Incognito, a guide to stealthy English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of a phrase you might have heard tossed around in movies, books, or maybe while browsing the internet: incognito. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and share some examples so you can understand how to be incognito in your English conversations. Let's dive into the world of secretive expressions. The term incognito comes from Latin, where in can mean not, and cognito derives from cognitus, meaning known. When you're incognito, you're avoiding recognition by appearing to be someone else. It's like wearing a disguise at a masquerade ball. You're there but not as your usual self. It can refer to both physical disguises and digital anonymity. Using incognito in sentences is quite straightforward. It's generally used as an adverb or adjective. For example, she traveled incognito to avoid the press. The detective went incognito to observe the suspect unnoticed. It's also commonly used with the verb to go, as in to go incognito. Incognito has a fun role in popular culture. It's often used to describe characters in stories who are undercover or in disguise. For example, a superhero might live an incognito life as a normal citizen. Or in spy movies, agents often go incognito to carry out secret missions. It's a term that adds an element of excitement and mystery to any situation. In the digital age, incognito has taken on a new life. Many internet browsers have an incognito mode, which allows users to browse without their activities being saved to their browser history. It's important to remember that while this mode doesn't save your local browsing history, it doesn't make you invisible online. Your internet service provider and the websites you visit can often still track your activity. And that's a wrap on incognito. Whether you're trying to keep a low profile on a secret vacation or browsing online without leaving traces, now you know how to talk about it in English. We hope this video has shed some light on this stealthy phrase and you've enjoyed learning about it as much as we've enjoyed explaining it. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.